What's the crack? Hola everybody, check it out. Today we are making a Spanish omelette. Look at this. This is juicy. Check this out. This has got chicken, cheese, eggs, onions, potatoes. Check this out. Here we go. Oh yes. Actually, that came out really well. I'm surprised. So you're gonna want to check this video out. It's juicy. Hello, Diane.
Hello. I just got out of the shower.
Boop, boop, boop. Oh, so you're all fresh and ready to go.
Yeah, just served waffle. Chewy's like down here going, hey. We'll let you try some in a minute, too. This looks amazing, Paul.
Thank you. So it's a Spanish omelette with chicken and cheese. Yeah. I see the prices, but I don't know like what anything is because it's in Spanish. And I can use the app, but like, you know the way sometimes you take long enough to kind of figure out what stuff is in English, never mind Spanish. But here, look, we're making for breakfast today a Spanish omelette. I think it's going to turn out something like this. Oh, that looks like a Spanish omelette, but we're going to make it from scratch. So let's get the ingredients. Like $23.99. What's going on with this oil? Now this thumb here, now what's this? Apple oil. Is this just apple juice? I'm looking at juice instead of oil. Am I in the juice section or the oil section? Oh, there, look, there's chips. There has to be chip oil. Come on. Right, sunflower oil. $1.85. So this is the kitchen. That's the front door. So this is the kitchen right here. Look. Boom. This is our workspace. So this is where we're going to be making some magical omelettes. Here's the ingredients now. 2 potatoes, 1 onion, lots of milk, a little bit of oil, tomato ketchup if you want some flavour later on, a pinch of salt, but unfortunately they don't sell a pinch of salt. You're going to want 4 eggs, so we got 6 just in case. We got some cheese and some chicken. We're going to make this nice. Here we go. And we got some chewy. Paw, good boy. Right, first things first, you need to drink some water because we're in Spain. You can take as many steps of that as you want because you can't do too much of that. Anyways, so depends on how many people you're eating. This kind of stuff here will make about a portion for 4 people, but I'll eat at least four people's portions, so that's good, let's go. Chop your potato into little cubes. So here we go, watch. Remember my chopping skills from the last video? But this is better, look, that's definitely cubed. Oh, they're going everywhere. Jeez, this is a bouncy knife. And that it bounces all over the place. Here we go. Oh. So you go with a full potato, but like, look, come on, that's plenty of potatoes here, like, you know. I don't want too many carbs, man. I've had enough potatoes at home. Next one, get the onion. Here we go, like, chop the end off, chop the other end off, and then take the other side, but you don't want a couple of layers deep. That's how far we'll go, just to make sure we get the good stuff. As before, I used half a potato, I'm going to use half an onion, check it out, here we go. And you want this finely sliced up now, right? Aha, I'm getting somewhere. Look, we'll get there in the end, won't we? I think onions don't make people cry because they're actually just a chemical reaction. It's just because the emotional amount of damage you get by trying to figure out how to cut them. And instead of finely chopped, they're just chopped just fine. Here we go. So the next step. We want to make our egg mix. Here we go. Let's get a bowl for that. 4 eggs. You're going to need 4 eggs. These are nice Spanish chicken eggs. What's the difference? They speak Spanish. Here we go. The one-handed egg crack. Classic. Crack up a Lego. Do you want some shell? Your piece? Okay, no, okay, I'll don't worry. No shell for you. Ooh, this is like a little torpedo egg. This one must come flying out. Here we go. Yeah. There's no shell in there. The lack of shell. There's a lack of shell. Every time I touch anything in this kitchen, I'm like... This step, again. H2O all day long. Now this is the milk I got, and I'm not sure if it's actually milk. It kind of... When the cow's eating grass, he looks like a happy little cow. I'm not sure, like, there was only like 2 little bottles, and this one was one I picked. It looks like kind of cream as well. Even if it's cream, it's still good enough for me omelette. Make creamy omelette, please. Just a dollop. There we go. This is what we're doing now. Getting that mix on. You don't have to use milk, but it breaks it up a bit, you know. I wonder will the milk taste different because the grass is a little bit drier out here, you know. The milk's going to be a bit dry out here, you know. You want your pinch of salt. This is a bit more than a pinch, but we'll get a pinch. Here we go. Sodium. Yeah, I think that's about a pinch. About a pinch. Pinch me, I'm dreaming.
How do you turn it on?
But we got it going, look at that. Raw red, here we go. Boom. Get your pan all nicely oiled up. Now get our veggies in. You want to caramelise these, that's why we're putting them in early. So now you just wait for them to cook. This is a Spanish omelette as it is already, but we're going to be making a chicken version. I think this is chicken. I don't know. Yes, probably. And cheese. Right, so what we're going to do is let them caramelise. And then we're going to put cheese and chicken in the middle layer of it. I want to have like a chicken and cheese omelette. Spanish style. Here we go. Is it hammer chicken? We're going to repeat the water stage. You can never have enough water, remember that? Come on, drink up. I know you're thirsty. What time did you go to the dentist at? 2:30. If you want, you can throw a bit of butter. Check it out. If you want, you can put a little bit of this bad boy in there. I'm not sure if it's like milk butter or cow butter. I don't know. Could be vegetable butter. We'll see now, won't we? Oh. Oh, there, check it out. Okay. I see it. I see it. Put a bit of butter in there. Yeah. Smells good. Give your eggs some attention while we're waiting. They're probably too settled now. Come on, fix it up a bit. So I'm guessing between this prep time and cooking it's going to cost you about half an hour of your life. And then depends on how long you want to take to eat it. Enjoy it. But it's going to be good. Right, so now that your onions and your potatoes are nicely glazed. Oh yeah, oh look at that caramelized, lovely. Right, you're going to want to put a bit of egg in. Here we go, we're going to start the process. Turn this down a teeny weeny bit. Right, so pour a little bit of your egg in first. For layer one. Want layer one in there. Get your vegetables in now. Spread them out nice and evenly around. Yes, looking good. Get your layer of cheese. 2 please. Yeah. Put some chicken around here. You know it's good. This chicken is actually juicy. Usually the chicken I always get is really dry. This is lovely. Right, and then the rest of your egg goes on top. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Nice. Let that sizzle away for about 5-10 minutes. And then we're going to do a really dangerous flip. But we can do it. Parkour. Clean it as you go. Keep it clean. Here we go. Look, looking good. I watched this in the video and what they said was you put the plate on it and then somehow you're able to flip it. And then you're going to want to put it back down into that. But they made it look easy. I don't know how I'm going to do it. This is what you do. You get the plate. This is what you do. Flip. Right, you got to flip. And then put back in. And then back on. I think we lost a slice of cheese. We lost a slice of cheese. But that's not bad, that's not bad. That was a good flip. Let's get the cheese, let's recover the cheese. Yeah. That's not bad looking. Look at that, that's not bad. I'm going to leave the cheese onto the side here for this one. That looks really good. I'm actually impressed with that, look at that. That's cooking nicely. So now you let it sit here for another 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to take it back onto the plate. Then I'm going to clean and then we're going to tuck in. Here we go. Plate over the top. Like so. Plate on top. And then flippy dippy. Yes. Now we're turning off the stove. We're done with that. And there we have the Spanish omelette. Let's go check what it looks like on the inside. Here we go.
I'll take that. Get out of the shower, get served a delicious Spanish omelette.
Yeah.
I didn't even.
Uh-oh.
Chewy's getting to try some more.
Chewy, you got a bit already. What do you think?
I liked it. Give me more.
Mmm.
I've got hair in my plate. Sorry, that's not hygienic.
Oh no, it's okay. If they watch my old videos, they got onto me over here already.
Okay.
We're learning. Thank you so much.
Oh, hey. I give that 9 out of 10. And
Yeah.
the reason I'm giving 9 out of 10
No, I'm not.
is because my daddy makes omelettes.
Oh.
He makes the best omelettes in the world.
Okay. So I can't complain about that.
That's an official title. Like we'd have to bring it to a court of law to dispute it.
We'll tell him to watch this video and tell him to comment down below and tell me what he thinks of my omelette. I want to hear from the master.
Like, share, subscribe.
See you later, guys. Get your merch down below and Chewy. It was lovely to see you, Chewy.
Give me more fucking omelette.
See you later, guys.
Oh.
Oh,
That's
Chewy.
the saddest thing that's ever happened.
Chewy. Yay.